Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to edit a LinkedIn post. So to start with, I'm going to edit a scheduled post. So to find that scheduled post, I'm going to click on the Start a Post tab, click on the Schedule for Later button, and there should be a section where I can view my scheduled posts. So I'm going to click on that, and this is a post I scheduled earlier. So say I want to edit, I'm going to click on the three dots and then scroll down to click on edit the post. So from here, I can sort of edit it and do text, do whatever I want. When I'm happy, I can click schedule again. But say I posted this post, so I'm going to go ahead and post it. You can still edit it. So let me click on post now. So I'm going to click on post. So here is my post, but say I've done something wrong, I've made a spelling mistake. I can click on the three dots and I can scroll down and I can still edit the post even after it's gone live. Okay, so once I've done my edits, click on save and those edits will go live. I hope that is helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.